So good day everyone. I just so I've been trying to install a virtual machine for a while, and I just got to install it now. So I'm just going to begin us through how to install your Python, um, how to set up your Python, how to set up your virtual environment, and how to set up your first application in Django, or deploy your first Django web application. So this is, as you guys can see, this is like um, an empty OS. There's nothing here, and so usually the first thing for you to do is to go to um, your Windows startup and search for command prompt, which I already have here, and um, you just type, just to check if you have Python installed, you just type Python dash dash then version. So it's telling me that nothing was found here. I'm very sure you guys were given the official websites to go and to download Python. For me, I already have it uh, downloaded. So what I'm just going to do is just to um, I'm just going to install it. So and well, you guys can go and look for it and download. So the other thing you also need is a code editor or a text editor. Most likely you guys are using PyCharm, but VS Code um, is very popular, and so I'm going to use VS Code. um, what else? um yeah, so far then you need internet as well. So let me just copy the Python here and get VS Code. You can use PyCharm, but like I said, I prefer VS Code. It's a preference for me. So let me just copy it, and then we'll start the installation process. So this is the official Python um website, and so I usually don't download the latest version of Python. I would download like one less, you understand, so because of stability issue, you understand. So the current one I think I'm using is 11.3.11. I can't remember, but you can download the latest one if you so want, but I usually don't because of stability. um so again, it's a preference thing. You don't need to really bother much. So depending on your Windows, if you are using the 32-bit or a 64-bit, just look for installer, the ones that have the installer. So I think this PC is a 64-bit Windows, so I'm going to use install this, and okay, so it's trying to download. So like I said, also get VS Code or PyCharm, as in the case of what was, I think, was PyCharm your instructor was using. So again, it's a preference, but they are just text editor. You can actually browse. There is Atom. There are different text editor, but VS Code is my own preference. Again, you don't have to use mine. So sorry. So also try and do that. Download that, and get back to you. So you just type VS Code. Sorry, it's a little bit slow because I'm using a virtual machine. So when I'm done downloading, I'll just get back to you guys.